बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। This is decor art signing in, and I am going to share with you a most beautiful and very seasonal sunflower wreath designs. These are very amazing, these are very unique and very beautiful seasonal sunflower wreath ideas for you guys. So viewers, I hope so you like these seasonal sunflower wreath designs. These are very beautiful and very amazing ideas for you guys, and I hope so you like these sunflower wreath designs. So viewers, if you want different other craft work or different other home decor ideas, then you guys leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These designs are incredible and super unique. So viewers, I hope so you liked these seasonal wreath design. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. These are very pretty and very amazing seasonal wreath ideas for you guys. Always keep supporting my channel. Always keep watching my videos. These are best and super amazing fun sunflower wreath design for you guys. So viewers, if you want different other craft videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section, and you also watch different other tutorials on YouTube, that how to make these type of sunflower wreath design. These are very amazing and very unique. Wreath design for you guys. So viewers, always think positive, always be positive. This is very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. So viewers, always take care, always be happy. Allah Hafiz guys, take care.